Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, you need to turn off the water to the refrigerator. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water inlet tube in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water inlet tube. This water inlet tube connects the water inlet valve down at the machine compartment at the back of the fridge to the ice maker inlet tube. The main reason to replace the water inlet tube is if it dries up and cracks, causing a water leak. Alright, so we're at the back of the fridge and we need to remove this access panel. And we have 4 1/4-inch screws that holds it on the top of the panel, and I'm going to use a 1/4-inch screwdriver and take them out. And now I'm going to lift off this panel. Next, I'm going to take out this couple of screws here. This is 1/4-inch screws, and I'm going to use the 1/4-inch nut driver so we can pull out the water inlet valve. Just slide it out as far as you can. That would be enough. Right there. Next, I'm going to bring the towel, put it on the floor. We're going to have some water dripping. Let's pull out the water inlet valve. And we're going to undo this line and unscrew it, turning it counterclockwise. We're going to grab the bottom with the towel together, bring this up, and I'm going to unscrew it right here. Alright, so I'm going to turn it counterclockwise. Alright, so little suggestion in case if there's a water in the tube, don't leave this end with the towel on it higher than the end we just took off. This is the old water inlet tube next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so I'm going to install this upper portion of the water inlet tube. And I'm going to tighten the nut, turning it clockwise. Alright, I'm going to install this lower portion. Again, I'm going to place that tube into the port. I'm going to bend this tube and tighten that nut. Make sure it's properly installed, so don't force it. Okay, and now I'm going to install the valve back in. Slide it in. We've got here a couple holes here. I'm going to align the holes. And I'm going to use a couple of 1/4-inch screws and secure it. I'm using a 1/4-inch nut driver. I'm going to tighten the screws. And now I'm going to install the rear cover panel. I'm going to align the holes, put it over the water valve, and I'm going to secure it with the 4 1/4-inch screws. Using the 1/4-inch nut driver, and I'm going to put them in. Alright, plug the fridge in, open the water, and check if there are any leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.